Hello there. I am just sharing this little neat little magazine slash stamp slash card making magazine I got from, I think it was Michael's. It is a 3-in-1 card kit plus 2 magazines. I guess that's what it is. So it should have 15 stamps in there. It looks like it's some sort of an English or from UK, something like that. So it's supposed to be this bundle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just remove this. I kind of tried to get it off first before I started the video. So what it comes with is Christmas card special paper crafter for cards. I guess inside of it may have some, some ideas, options, just nice little, I guess, guide, that you can utilize. There's also, I see here, it looks like a Christmas tree template. Yeah, Christmas tree template. There's also some card ideas. And for those of you who, like me, tend to get into these magazines, they're kind of neat because they give you some little ideas, and of course you can subscribe if you want to. But usually I just grab them and just, stay with my one magazine. But it pretty much, gives you a lot of ideas that you can work with. And in that way you can, maybe from what you see, you can formulate some ideas of your own to spice up your card making options or designs. Also, this is the box, and it has a 75-piece card making kit. Just it looks like it's, different things, a 3D capture card, it's just giving you an idea. So this here includes stamps, stickers, die cuts, sheets, papers, cards, and foam pads. Okay, so let's see if we can shake this out because I'm using my other hand here. Whoopsie. Okay, there we go. So these are the 15 stamps. So they're all Christmas stamps. Really nice, actually. I haven't had one of those kits, so that definitely will add some handy touches to my Christmas set. So that's the stamps. Then, well, I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure if it's a foam piece. I'm not sure because it's all wrinkled. Anyways, so this is the die cut pieces. It's already done. So, these you can add to the front of your cards, make it all nice. That's one sheet. And there is also another sheet in there with some neat things for your cards. Oh, here's another one. So that's another. There's actually four. There's actually 4 sheets. There's like 2, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Oops. Yeah, so there's 3 sheets, and then, in fact, 4. I'm sorry, 4 sheets of die cut pieces. Then you have, I guess you will utilize those. These are like, I don't know if you can see, these are letters. Yeah, just letters up to Z. Then here you have your cards. So there is, let's see how many in there. But this is a nice kit, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4. So far that's 4, 5. So these are 5 cards so far. Let me see if there's any other. What's this one? Oh, here's another one. So that's 6 cards, actually. And then you have some nice little paper here that you can also utilize on your cards or to make additional cards if you wish. Oh, these are really pretty. I love this. Yeah, oopsie. Yeah, so yeah, that's nice. I just saw it and I wanted to get it, and Yeah, this is really nice. Actually, you can utilize and just make some really, oh wow, really nice cards, because this is double-sided. Let's see. Oh wow, that's neat, guys. But I wanted to definitely share that with you. So this is an entire card making kit by itself, with all what you need in order to create your cards. So again, I got those. I don't know if you guys may be interested in looking, looking at these sort of card making kits, but everything is here for you. And this one is called Christmas Village. It's a 75 plus piece card making kit, and it does have different options here that you could utilize and make. And I'm sure there is some kind of website that you can go to, maybe to download some other backgrounds, Christmas backgrounds or things of that nature. So this was this set. I got it, I believe I paid call it I want to say $20 and change. And yes, and that's at Michael's. So that's an option, guys, if you want to look into those, where you have that complete set. Thank you for watching, and talk to you later.